folks, here's what's happening. 90% say no hike coming tomorrow. That's our 41 economists, analysts, fund managers, strategists. They say 90% no hike. Really good unanimity, more than last month, say no hike tomorrow. There is a 21% or a larger percentage out there, 7% who say it's possible, a couple primary dealers as well. However, the vast majority say no hike. As to why, it's kind of interesting to look at. 31% say it's because of global growth concerns. 22% say it's because the market's not ready for a hike. And the presidential elections weigh in there 11%, and inconsistent data along with weak job growth also chosen by 11%. However, look at this next chart, and I would tell you I've been doing this Fed survey for a very long time. This kind of unanimity or consensus is very unusual. 88% now saying the next hike will come in December. In general, the distribution across this thing is much larger. 10% will say a later month, some will say an earlier month, but 88% now say the hike will come in December.
Is that just a save face, regardless of what the numbers mean between here and there? Like they're going to have to do it without going over a year without another rate hike?
I think that's part of it. I also think because all of the other things that were listed in there, the global growth concerns, there's talk about the elections, and we asked a lot of questions about this that people can look at. They don't feel the Fed is keeping rates low to help one candidate or another. The thinking is that the Fed just doesn't want any part of this election, and a hike would do this. I just want to show you one more chart. Do we have that chart? I want to show you the path of the Fed funds rate, guys, if you have it. Thank you very much. You're great in the back there. There's the market, our CNBC Fed survey about the outlook for rates, and there's the Fed. So they've actually moved closer. That 2.5% long run rate is up a little bit. We'll see. On the meeting Wednesday, we'll get a new set of projections from the Fed if they bring that down a little bit. So that'd be interesting to follow what the outlook is.
Hey, CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the eye right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.